Welcome to our channel. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to log in to your Rakuten affiliate program account easily. Follow these straightforward instructions to access your account and start maximizing your affiliate marketing potential. Step 1. Visit the Rakuten affiliate program website. Open your web browser and go to the official Rakuten affiliate program website. You can type Rakuten affiliate program in your search engine or directly enter the URL into the address bar. Step 2. Locate the login button. Once you are on the Rakuten affiliate homepage, look for the login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you will see fields where you need to enter your username and password. Make sure you input the correct information associated with your Rakuten account. Double-check for any typographical errors. Step 4. Click on Sign In. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. This will prompt the system to verify your information and log you into your account. Step 5. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any issues during the login process, such as forgotten passwords, look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Click it and follow the instructions to reset your password. Step 6. Access your dashboard. Once you're logged in successfully, you will be directed to your Rakuten affiliate program dashboard. Here, you can track your performance, generate affiliate links, and manage your campaigns. Make sure to keep your login details secure and log out of your account when using shared devices for added security. Thank you for following our guide. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips.